Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to present you the Schubert C5. This is the top of the line of Schubert at the moment, and it's here on my channel, it's here on my head as you can see, and it's a P&J homologation, which means I can ride it like this, or I can ride it closed like this. That's a big advantage of this helmet. Big things about this helmet, it is the new rules, the ECE 2206, which basically gives you more security if in case of an accident, because it is tested with more impact points. Having said this, it's a little bit heavier than a traditional helmet. This one here that I have, it's 1660 grams. We're gonna find this helmet in 6 colors and 2 graphics with 8 combinations possible. Looking at the helmet from the outside, so first of all we have ventilation here on the top, easy to access even with gloves, thick gloves and everything, no problems. The extractor here on the back with APS materials. You don't see here these cutouts, but it's where you put the intercom system, the SC2. Basically it's here, then the commands you put here, and here on the front there is a little place where you install the microphone. So everything it's already included in the helmet, included the speakers, HD speakers, the 3 antennas, mesh, Bluetooth and radio antennas. You just have to buy the intercom system, and I think it's a partnership with Sena. I'm not sure, but I think it is Sena. Here on the side you have the latch for the interior visor. I do like it, it works okay. We do have here on the side the possibility to not make it go down all the way. It's for those guys who have like bigger noses or bigger heads, so you can have a really comfortable ride. One thing I do not like is do not have a quick release button where we can just press the button and it will retract the visor. That's something that they could do. It would make the helmet a little bit heavier, I know that, but at least I would like it, because I do have that option in several of my helmets. Looking here on the front, new ventilations here on the front. We do have a filter here inside, which is good. The release system or the open system for the jet, it's super easy. This red button, just push it up and it's done. This exterior visor, it comes with a memory system, which basically means if I open it in this position, if it is I'm riding with this and I decided to go jet-wise and like this, when I release it, when I put it back down, it stays in the same position. So any position that I am, look, this one now, I just open it and then when I push it down, it stays in position. Talking about this visor, things that I like, of course we do have the pin lock. Latest generation pin lock. This helmet, to be certified with this new 2206, it needs to have this pin lock, and I like this. I have these openings here on both sides, or these latches here, where I can open the visor either with on the right side or on the left side, which is very practical for someone that has a lot of helmets, which is my case. You never know in each helmet which side it is. On this one you don't have to worry, it's either on the right, either on the left, you will open it. Talking about open, let's go see how it is the inside. Inside everything it's removable, washable, like in any helmet. The good thing about this helmet and the Schubert C5 is that you can personalize all these interiors according to your head. As we all know, not everyone has the same shape of heads, not the same sizes and everything, and they give you the possibility to personalize that, but only from sizes M, L and XL. All the other sizes are excluded. Don't ask me why. Maybe because those are the most traditional sizes. So that's a good thing, that you can personalize the interior. It has a really good ventilation. The ventilation inside here, it's really nice. But the good thing, and it's a Schubert, it's the C5, it's the sound isolation. This one, it's almost like riding a full face helmet, okay? I'm gonna say like 90% the same thing as a full face helmet when it is closed. Of course, when it is in this position, closed, there is a little bit noise, but nothing that it is annoying. I do have other full face or other helmets like this, like modular helmets, and this one, the sound, it's really good. And if you like those kind of things, and if it is important to you, you can take a look. Of course, Everything I've been saying comes with a price, which is down in the description or in the end of the video. We do have the shin guard here, which is good. The lock, it's a micrometric system with the anti-lock system connected to the back of the shell. We do have this protection here to give you more comfort when you close the helmet. And in my general opinion, it is a really good helmet. Everything works perfectly here on this helmet. It fits really well on my head. I do like it. Like this, look, this protection here gives you a nice protection here on your throat. I like it. Then you have the sunglasses or the visor, internal visor, which is good. Super easy to close, to open. Everything is reachable, accessible, and while riding it is super comfortable and low noise, especially inside this helmet, which is the main feature of the Schubert C5. It's the low noise that you have inside. Having said this, guys, and since I've been trying this helmet in the rain, I really hope that you like this review presentation of the C5. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!